This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about cone stands, specifically these fantastic food cone stands. And we have a lot of different options. First, we have the black iron cone stand. It's a 4-slot stand that you can see almost gives it a look of a bouquet to present those apps. You have these great openings here that are all at a slight angle for a fantastic presentation of those 4 slots. Each one is 3.5 inches in diameter, and the whole unit is 6 3/4 inches tall, and it'll allow you to put 4 food cones in there and serve a variety of different finger foods or apps all at once. So it's great if you're taking it out to a table for a shared appetizer. Next, we have the silver stainless steel medium fry and snack cone stand. This one is 4 1/4 inches across, holds a single cone, and is 8 inches tall. It has these 3 little cups that go with it. So those 3 little porcelain cups come with it so that you can serve a variety of different sauces and dips with your appetizers. So it's a nice little feature and makes for a cute presentation. Next, we have the silver stainless steel Singolo cone stand that has 2 spots for those sauce holders. And this one I love features a nice little handle. So it's easy if your wait staff is gonna grab it quickly, take it out to a table. It makes them really nice and easy to handle, both for your staff and your guests. This one doesn't come with the sauce cups, but the 2-ounce stainless steel condiment cups that are 2 3/4 inches in diameter are compatible with it. So you have a nice reusable option to make a great presentation there with those 2 items combined. This one is 4 inches across and 5.5 inches tall. Next, we have this silver stainless steel Singolo cone stand. This one is just a single cone opening. It's 4 inches across and 5.5 inches tall. So if you're looking for just something simple, sleek, a solitary unit, this is a nice solid one to have. And then finally, we have the silver stainless steel diamond cone stand. This one has a square shaped opening, as you can see, and comes with a single condiment cup, and it's got that great little hook feature. So anytime you need to attach a sauce, you can hook it on the side, and it comes with that little porcelain cup for it. This one has that great square shape, and it works really well with the Cone Tech food cones, especially those ones with the dipping pockets. You can even put a little extra dip, a little extra topping up there, and this is the 9.5 by 5.5 inch size, and you can see it fits perfectly down in there, and with the weight of those foods, it'll expand nicely into that square shaped opening. There's various different finishes, slot numbers, some that include those great little condiment cups and some that don't, so you want to check the listing for the full range of options available. And in addition to the stands, there's a variety of different food cones that are available, so great different options for the display and presentation of those that you can really kind of mix and match to create your own custom look. There's a variety of color and size options available in the food cones as well. So you can really get a very customized experience for your guests. And these are perfect for the presentation of apps, snacks, finger foods, along with a variety of different sauces and dips. They're durable and break resistant. They're scratch resistant as well. So they're really built for long lasting commercial use. And they're perfect for restaurants, food trucks, and stands for the service of both savory and sweet snacks.